Oh my goodness. Oh, he's got one. That was big. That's big. You got him?
GoPro, start recording.
We might have to go a little bit shallower if we're not. Yeah, that school's over there. They're cruising. And you texted me. You're like, "There's a giant crappie heading on my left shoulder, guys. Giant crappie. That thing is massive. If it's a crappie, I don't know if it's. Oh, it's gonna slam me, or it's gonna slam Don, one or the other.
Coming in from the left.
Golly! That's got some shoulders to it for sure. That's mate. Oh! Frickin' killer. Whole school's below us, guys. Sunrise crappie here in New Hampshire. Be guiding for these in the fall. Freaking sweet. Sweet slabs. There's a whole massive school below us, guys. Big school. So we're gonna do Aaron Weeb's technique for release. We're gonna pinch their mouth shut and then push them down. Kind of want to put a jaw jacker out. There's a massive one coming right now, or it's a pair, I can't tell. Oh, he's gonna smoke it. Come here, buddy. Holy crap, guys. Holy freaking. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. At least 20 on the screen. Absolutely ridiculous. Got it. Big it. Absolute fat saurus.
There we go. Where's more respectable? I don't think I got the big one.
Oh!
Damn. Still beating me.
Freaking twins, man. Twins.
Yeah, we gotta get a shot.
Yeah. Into the sunrise there.
Okay.
Got it. There's a whole school underneath you guys. Slacking over there. They're slacking. We got sunrise crappie, guys. Sunrise crappie. Golden hour. We got a rock bass that's coming back to life. Zombie. Pinned him right in the mouth. And I actually brought my bump with me, but that's probably 14. Easy. 13 and a half. Almost 15. Almost 14. Holy crap, guys. Oh, he missed it. There's 15, 20 crappie in the school that's coming right underneath us right now. It's ridiculous. Holy crap, that's a big school. I don't think I've caught a crappie through the ice this year, except for right now. So we lost the one that I caught earlier this year. They're heading your way, guys. They're all underneath me right now. I think I just lost my bait. Nope, still on there. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This one's big. This one's turning on me though.
A little deeper.
Really? Really?
Oh, come on. I think Diane made a mistake by publishing some of the studies.
Yep. I just missed a corker, guys. Frick.
I had one right under me.
Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back. Oh! He's coming over to you, Don.
Yep. Did you see my jig?
Yeah.
Am I low enough?
Yeah, you're low enough. Got him. Oh, I don't know if that's snagged or what. He's freaking out, guys. Or he's just big. White perch, that's why.
Wow. They're in here.
So, white perch are anadromous. They're the same family as striped bass. And they actually deal with barotrauma differently. What they do is they actually bleed out the side of their scales. It's really weird. And you'll catch them and there'll be blood all over the ice in areas that don't have blood on them. So you can actually see there's blood on that side. But tastes like just like striped bass, and I don't like striped bass, so he's going right back in. There's a giant school moving in from my chest, guys. Huge school. These are all SLABs. All absolute pie plates. Every one of them. If we don't triple up, you guys are freaking doing something wrong. Ooh, pulled it.
GoPro, start recording.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. If we
I blame the color.
I'm using the same one. They're all gonna swim past this. Come on. There's a freaking monster down there. No, we just missed that whole school, guys. What? I called it. Jinxed us on that one. Big one underneath this. Come on. Right underneath me. Just ignored me completely.
About finding 120 degrees. Am I missing something?
It's not hard. Got it. They are up hitting like crazy today, guys. Slabs for days. Slabs. That's not how it works, man.
Yeah, you're still gonna have to test. Hate to break it to you.
Got it. Can't even set up a tip up or a jaw jacker, guys. Just keep getting slammed.
Maybe time to change lines here.
Smaller one.
Perfect eater.
Perfect eaters. Papaya.
Yeah, Steve wants me to, come help in teaching the class and everything.
Oh, really?
And same thing with Chris. I don't know about training a competitor.
Yep. Finally. I can give you a tungsten if you want. Another slab, guys. Another slab.